Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making gizzard jollof. It's so delicious and easy to make. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to season my well-washed gizzard with seasoning cubes, minced ginger and garlic, scotch bonnet pepper and salt. I'll mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook until soft. As you can see, I did not add water because it's going to release enough water that will be enough to cook it until soft. Once that is done, I will sieve it and set aside. You can also grill at this point or fry. I'm not doing any of those today. The next step is to make my rice. In a preheated oil, I will add minced onions and ginger, curry powder and thyme. I will stir and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I will add tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Next, I will add fresh tomatoes and peppers, paprika powder, white pepper and seasoning cubes. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add my well-washed rice. Mix very well and add my stock. I will mix and taste for salt. I'm going to cover with parchment paper and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. While that is cooking, I will make pepper sauce for the gizzard. In a preheated oil, I will add my pepper mix, the combination of onions and peppers. I will add seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. Mix very well to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add the cooked gizzard. Mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes on a low heat. Five minutes later, I check on it and give it a good mix. Next, I will garnish with chopped bell peppers and onions. Mix very well to combine and it's ready. I will set it aside for later use. At this time, I check on the rice. It has dried beautifully well. I will gently mix and add some butter for flavor. Next, I will add the peppered gizzard and mix until well combined. You guys, this rice is super flavorful. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!